Keep up the spirit. When clouds are rumbling, the ocean rough with howling waves, and the ship of life is about to be capsized. Keep up the spirit, for all this will pass away. When darkness is dense, the forest full of thorns, and the way is lost, keep up the spirit, for thou shalt find the path. For all challenges and failures and flights, I have simple spiritual advice. Keep up the spirit. Take refuge in God. All this will pass away. Thou art bound to realize I am Brahman.